Hi everyone, this is Chandni Singh and welcome to my channel. So, we all are quarantined, so how about some interesting makeup videos? I always clean my skin before I start makeup, and here I'm using the CS Essentials Skin Spa Micellar Water. Next up, I'm using the CS Essentials Skin Fuel Moisturizer. Just a pea-sized amount, and I'm going to apply it all over my skin. I'm using the Gerard Cosmetics spray all over my face now, and I'm just going to let this dry up naturally. I'm going to start with my eyebrows immediately, and I'm using the Dior Backstage brow pomade. It comes in 3 colors, and I'm using the CS Essentials spoolie to first brush my eyebrows into place with the wax. I take the darker color and I'm going to just concentrate a lot more on the tail area and the arch. And then I'm just going to fill up the other areas. Next up, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in shade Creamy Beige. And I'm just going to touch up a little on my lids. Using the CS Essentials Concealer brush, just going to blend that into place. For my eyes, I am using the Viseart Golden Hour palette, and this is what it looks like. So guys, you're going to be hearing some birds chirping. That's because I'm sitting outside in my garage and I'm shooting this because I do not have any professional equipment, my lights or anything. So please excuse that. I'm using this metallic gray color right here. Taking the CS Essentials flat brush. Just applying a thick line. And I'm not going to apply more. I'm just going to blend this and take it all over my lids. Just gonna pick up this matte brown color from here on a E4 CS Essentials brush, and I'm just gonna place that into the crease. Using a black pencil from Colorbar. And of course, I'm going to apply 2 coats of mascara now. Using the Forever 52 XL mascara. So if you're somebody who's very oily, you can absolutely skip the oil. I get a lot of messages from women who stay in hotter places saying that if I would hydrate my skin so much, it would my makeup would totally melt. So you do not need to do that. In fact, the Skin Fuel Moisturizer just gives you the right amount of hydration for your makeup to go on. I am applying the oil to make my skin look a lot more dewy. Just a few drops of the CS Essentials Skin Treat face oil. This will be launching very soon. So using a matte concealer in a stick form. CS Essentials concealer brush to blend it out. Using the Nykaa Skin Genius foundation in shade 4. If you like thin foundations, you will love this one. The same concealer in Studio Perfecting Stick in NC30 on my highlight areas and blending it out with the CS Essentials concealing brush. Always like to take a damp beauty blender over my foundation routine. Just kind of soaks up extra product. This one's by Sales Essentials again. Using my most favorite powder, the Chanel. Using the matte deep dark to add a little depth to my face. Using the CS Essentials tapered brush again. Just using the new Viseart highlighter palette. It's called Tempto. Comes in 4 gorgeous colors. The Maybelline 630 lip liner topped with the Huda Beauty Trendsetter liquid lipstick.